Hello everyone, welcome back to our new session of the IPTV or STV. So here I will explain you about the Roku TV product and their features and what is their offerings are to the end user. So Roku is a very big broadcaster, you can say manufacturer, and these devices are used in globally. Majorly their market in UK and France. So let's, or you can call as European country as well. So let's begin with the Roku components. What is Roku and how it is origined and what is their offering to the end user, and the products will have which all good components to buy this product. So let's begin with this. Roku is a line of digital media players manufactured by Roku Inclusive. The devices offer access to streaming media content from various online services. The line was introduced in May 2008 with its model developed in collaboration with Netflix. The Roku series has been considered influential on overall market for digital media players, helping to popularize the concept of low cost small form factor set-top boxes designed for over the top media consumption. How Roku discovered and where it is originated from. The name comes from the Japanese word Roku, meaning 6, and was named so because it was the sixth company that Anthony Wood, that is a founder of or you can call as CEO since 2002 started. So Roku is the sixth company founded by Anthony Wood, and the 6 means in Japanese word is Roku. Because of that the name will have Roku. Roku Inclusive is an American publicly traded company based in Los Gatos, California. Roku was founded in October 2002 as a limited liability company, that is LLC, by Replay TV founder Anthony Wood. In April 2007, Wood was named a vice president of Netflix after Netflix decided to do not build its own player. A new Roku company was incorporated in February 2008 based in Palo Alto, California, with Netflix as an investor of $6 million to build a player. Later in 2008, company headquarters moved to Saratoga, California. Further south in Silicon Valley, a round of venture capital funding from Menlo Ventures was announced in October 2008. Another round of about $8.4 million was disclosed in 2009. In 2015, the company announced it would be subleasing the buildings in Los Gatos, California from Netflix. On September 28, 2017, the company held an initial public offering of stock and began trading on the Nasdaq exchange. On November 9, 2017, the company acquired Danish-based smart speaker startup company Danastorum, including its Arrows technology. Let's see the components. You can see in the image Roku TV look like sticks. Roku is the company that pioneered streaming of the TV. Roku streaming players are a more convenient and cost effective way to watch the TV. Just plug it into your TV, connect to the internet, set up a Roku account and start streaming your favorites. Roku offerings are smart and interactive IPTV, free Roku mobile app. So you can see here in the image Roku set-top box or IPTV is here, and you can see here the mobile devices. So by using or connecting these mobile devices with the set-top box, user can watch the content available in the Roku set-top box. So basically they are offering set-top box and mobile devices in free of cost. These mobile devices are segregated in Android and iOS devices. So these applications should be compatible with iOS and Android, both the operating systems. Roku offerings further increases like private listening. So Roku mobile app just use headphones to hear every detail without disturbing the house. My feed is also another offering from Roku. Want to know when that movie at the theater comes available to stream, or when your favorite series is back on TV? Add it to my feed and get automatic updates about the availability, price drops where it's free, and more. Fifth offering is automatic update. Even after you buy it, your Roku TV keeps getting better. The automatic updates, you will get the newest features and the latest software without having to think about it. Live TV, the best component of the Roku TV with built-in smart feature. It's easy to watch and available local channels for free with your antenna. No TV subscription needed. Roku offerings, don't miss a minute when you make your next snack run. Means pause live TV is available for you, and this is free of cost when you connect to a 16 GB or larger USB drive to your TV. Ease of use, there are several activity or several components are available which makes Roku devices to be very user friendly, and it is very much easy to use that. So let's begin with one by one. Simple home screen, as you can see in my previous slide. So UI, and it's very much clear, and each and everything is very explanatory about the screen, and it's user friendly, means just like we can call as simple home screen. So in that, start streaming your favorite shows, access your setup box, watch live TV, or even fire up your gaming console, all from your home screen. Plus customizable input levels make it easy to find what you need. Next is fast and easy search. Search by title, actor, or directors to see where they stream your favorite shows for free or at the lowest price. So just like if you want to watch any movie and there are several options are available, or there are millions of options are available for the movie list, and you want to search it by the name of the movie or by the actor of the movie or the action plays, then also you can do it by searching the component, and you will get the content within fraction of second. Easy to use remote, as you can see, remote is also very handy, and it is very simple to use that. Setup in a cinch, so use a heuristic cinch the box set